Okay, so this is a quick review of Unit 10, Lesson 5, the grammar point, adjective clauses. Remember that adjective clauses are a group of words that function like an adjective, and an adjective always describes a noun. Adjective clauses are introduced by a word that is in a category that we call relative pronouns. And relative pronouns in this book are who and that, and they can be used for people. Also, that and which can be used to introduce or modify and explain things. So again, who and that can be used for people, that and which can be used for things. An adjective clause is going to identify the noun that it's describing. When this happens, when it identifies the noun and that extra information is necessary, we don't use a comma. We can use adjective clauses to define the noun, or most often to give some extra information, further information. And when we do that, we will offset the adjective clause with a comma, either at the end of the sentence or in the middle. So in this case, my brother, whose name is Jim, is a nice guy. And here we see that there are more relative pronouns than just who, that, and which. And we discussed many of those relative pronouns from the ESL library handout, which is on Blackboard for you. Okay, so we're going to go to Blackboard now, and I'm going to ask you to look at a document with me.